Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly add freeze frames to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's really easy and really quick. All you have to do is have your clip in your timeline and then right click on the clip and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. So this is going to freeze the frame wherever the playhead is. So make sure before you do that, you want to move the playhead to exactly where you want the freeze frame to occur. So let's say I want it to occur right here, right before the balls make contact. I'm going to right click on my clip, click on Insert Frame Hold Segment, and this inserts a segment or a clip with the selected frame. So if you'd like to adjust the duration of that clip, you can do so with the Ripple Edit tool or simply pressing B on your keyboard and then moving the edge of the clip. So now it's a lot faster, or you can also extend it. So that's how you can add freeze frames to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.